Hello, good morning from Fab students. I hope that you are fine. Today we are going to learn about connectors. The connectors that we are going to learn are where, wherever, when, since, until, because, as, although, if, and unless. Okay, so it's Harry. Harry is writing his diary. And this is his writing. I will go to Bali for vacation. I will stay there for 5 days. I will ride a rain bike. I have to do this. We stay at nice hotel with a beautiful view. After writing, his friend Zain checked his writing and he said that it's very simple. And it makes Harry not happy with that. Okay, now let's help him to make his writing more interesting. We are going to ask him to add these connectors into his writing, and we are going to see if his writing is getting better. I will go to Bali for vacation. It would be a great vacation if my friends could come along. I will stay there for 5 days, although I have to spend a lot of money. I will rent a bike and ride it wherever I go. I have to do this since the coronavirus drives me crazy. I will not stay in an expensive hotel unless they give me a discount. As we can see here, that connectors make the writing more interesting. And it makes Harry really happy because of that. Okay, so let's learn the connectors so we can write an interesting writing like Harry. There will be 10 questions, and what should you do is to find the correct connectors. Are you ready, kids? Okay, let's do it. Number 1. He always follows me wherever I go. The teacher will pass the exam paper when all students are ready. Number 3. I will feel happy if you come to my birthday party. Serang is the city where I grew up. He got paid more since he worked harder than before. The accident was very terrible until he barely can't say a word. Many music world tour events are cancelled because coronavirus spread all around the world. He returned my pencil as the teacher asked him to do so. You can tell him what you want, although I'm not sure he will listen. Okay, here's the last number. The pandemic will not end soon unless we follow the government's order. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that this video can help you to understand more about connectors. Thank you and see you. Bye.